In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an account from the Microsoft Teams desktop app. If you want to sign out of Teams on your computer and remove access to the account from the app, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. This is useful if you're switching to a different account, using a shared device, or just want to make sure the account is no longer active in the desktop app. To begin, open your Microsoft Teams desktop app. Make sure you're on the main Teams window and fully signed into the account you want to remove. If the app is already open, you're ready to go. If not, launch it and wait for everything to load so the profile options are available. Once you're inside Teams, look toward the top right corner of the app window. You should see your profile picture, initials, or avatar there. This area gives you access to your account settings and sign-in options. Go ahead and click on that avatar. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several account-related actions. From that menu, find the option that says Sign Out and click it. As soon as you select Sign Out, Microsoft Teams will log you out of the current account on the desktop app. In most cases, this effectively removes the account from active use in Teams on that device, meaning it will no longer stay signed in within the app. If you're doing this on a personal computer, signing out is usually enough. If you're on a shared or work device, it's a good idea to wait until Teams fully returns to the sign-in screen before closing the app. That helps confirm the sign-out completed successfully. Also, keep in mind that signing out of Teams may not remove the account from other Microsoft apps on your computer. It only signs you out of the Teams desktop app itself. So if your goal is specifically to stop using that account in Teams, this is the step you need. And that's all there is to it. Open the Microsoft Teams app, click the avatar in the top right corner, and choose Sign Out. It's a quick and easy way to remove an account from the Teams desktop app and keep your access organized, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Thanks for watching, and that's how to remove an account from the Microsoft Teams desktop app.